Good morning and welcome to this new vlog. It's currently 7 a.m. and I am at the airport, and what's funny about this trip is I'm completely alone. This is going to be a solo trip and I'm really excited about it, but more about this solo trip thing later on. I'm going to Barcelona, and let me tell you, I booked this trip like 5 days ago, so it's going to be a lot of freestyling, but I'm so excited for it, and let's see where this goes. So I think I'm heading out to security check and I will update you once I arrive. So I just landed in Barcelona and I had a really nice flight, took a very good nap and now I'm on my way to look for my transportation because I'm taking the metro to get from the airport to the city, and for that I just need to get my metro card. I got the Hola Barcelona ticket. With this ticket it's basically for tourists that you can use public transport for free. I got it for 72 hours and it's the way to move around in Barcelona. So now I'm looking for the metro station so I can get my card and then go head to the city. I made it to the hotel and I need to give you a quick room tour because this room is just so nice. I need to show you. Okay, so this is the entrance, and when you come here there's this huge mirror and here you have this little corner with a desk and a chair. This is the bathroom, love the wall, the shower, everything. Then you come here to the main room and this is the bed. This is the balcony and you have views over Barcelona, and right there you can see the Sagrada Familia, which is really cool that you can see it from here. And fun fact, we already stayed here 2 years ago. They have a really amazing penthouse suite, and this suite is honestly just the most amazing thing ever. It's really beautiful and it has a 180-degree view over the whole of Barcelona, which is just so nice. So I can definitely recommend it, and if you have the chance, take the penthouse suite because it's honestly so amazing. After a little stroll around the city, I finally made it to Park Güell, and this park is so cool. I loved it so much the last time we were here. It is full with buildings and architecture from Gaudi. There are so many palm trees. The colors are just amazing. I just love it here. It's such a cool place to come. Also, the entry is 10 euros, which I think is fairly priced because the park is so big and you can do so many things here, and it's really so beautiful. And also, I don't know if you can see it behind me, you can see Sagrada Familia and you can also see the sea. So I can definitely recommend that you visit Park Güell when you visit Barcelona. The last few hours I was walking around in Barcelona and I also visited the Gothic quarter. Sorry, I didn't really film that much because I'm really trying to be present in the moment and just soaking it all up. just such a cool experience. And right now I actually wanted to go and get some food and then head back to the hotel, but I just had the random urge to go to the sea and to the beach, just to have a look at it, because I love the sea and I love the beach, and to be here and not be close to the sea just hurts my heart. So I thought I'd just go so I don't have to miss it that much until tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to the beach to swim and just to chill, and I'm already very excited about that. But I just thought I would just take a quick look before tomorrow because I'm really trying to make the most out of my 3 days here. So I just also really want to see the sea as much as possible and just enjoy it. Every moment here. I'm now back at the hotel and welcome to my dinner setup. This is my dinner. I already started eating before I started filming. But there were also some chips included. These are tacos and I'm really excited to eat them. And this is my dinner view. Hello, buenos dias and welcome to a new day in Barcelona. I am currently on my way to get breakfast, and let me tell you, I've been craving acai bowls for weeks now. And this is why I was looking for a acai bowl place near my hotel to get breakfast, and I actually found one, and I will let you know if it's good. But the pictures on the website look so good, so I'm really excited to try them. So this is what it looks like. The place is called Oakberry and the lady there was so sweet. I think it was her first day on the job, and now I'm gonna try it if it's as good as it looks. A little update, the acai bowl was super good, and I am now on my way to Casa Batlló by Gaudí. So I think I'm gonna go and take a look at the house inside. I need to show you in a second, it's so beautiful. Okay, I just got out of the house and I have to say the tour was amazing. You get these very cool headphones that automatically link up with their system in every room, and you get like matched audio, which is really cool. And also the whole tour, the whole experience was very, very nice. I really enjoyed it, and I also really can recommend you to visit this house because it gives you such a cool insight on Gaudí and his inspirations and his thought process is just really cool. And since I'm also a really big fan of Gaudí's architecture, I really enjoyed that. A little update because I have no idea when I last updated you. But in the meantime, it's 5 o'clock and I'm now heading to the beach, to Barceloneta, because the sun has come out. It has been cloudy the whole day, so I didn't really know if I was going to the beach. But now that the sky has cleared, I decided that I will go to the beach and spend the next few hours there. So see you in Barceloneta. I've made it to the beach, and this time I didn't go to the metro station of Barceloneta, but went further. It's called Villa Olímpica. From this side you come from the opposite side of all the beaches, and far way back from this huge building in the back it's way less crowded. So if you want to come to the beach, really a lot nicer in the back beaches than in the front beaches, because there are way less people here. I really didn't think that I was going to be able to swim today, because for a second the weather app even said it was going to rain. So I'm very happy that didn't happen, and now I'm here and I'm swimming. Good morning and welcome to another day in Barcelona. And since this is my last day here, I'm leaving today at 6 p.m. to go back home. I quickly just wanted to chat about solo traveling, because so many people are scared to do it or just never think of doing it. And with this vlog I really want to encourage you to go on your own trip, and I think I can recommend anyone who's thinking about taking a solo trip to just do it, because it's such an amazing experience. And for the most common questions that people always have when it comes about traveling solo, like how do you stay alone in a hotel, how do you go eat in a restaurant all by yourself, just do it. It's not that scary. People won't judge you. Also, people don't really care. So it's really all about the mindset. So yes, that was my experience traveling solo, and now I have a full order day here in Barcelona to make the most out of it, and I'm really excited about that. Okay, so I am on my way to get breakfast, and am I gonna get another acai bowl? Yes, they're so good, and that's why I'm so excited to get another one. And I'm going to the same place, but actually on a different location. I'll show you in a minute where I'm at, but first, acai bowls. Oh wow, this is perfection, and I can't wait to show you the place where I'm eating it. Welcome to Sagrada Familia. So this is Sagrada Familia, a church built by Gaudi. I won't go inside because I've been inside the last time we were here, and I can totally recommend it. It's such a beautiful building. Inside the light is so beautiful, it's so colorful. I can only recommend it. What fascinates me about this church so much is that it isn't finished yet. And because they've been working on this church for such a long time, they had to renovate parts of the church while other parts are still being finished. And that just really amazes me, because it really shows how long they are working on a church like that. And that's about Sagrada Familia. So this place was the last one of those that I wanted to visit, and I still have 2 hours left until I have to get my bags and go off to the airport. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you so much for joining me on my solo trip, and I hope that it inspired you to go on a solo trip too. If it has, please let me know in the comments below. It would make me very happy if it did, and I guess I will see you next time. Bye!